Hi, I'm Cherie, and I'd like to share with you Hair Maze by Cherie, which I came up with to help me with my natural hair journey. Thanks to all you fabulous ladies on YouTube, I am well on my way to healthy, natural hair. But there are days when my hair needs something extra, either to protect it, jazz it up, or simply cover it up. So, out of need, almost desperation, came Hair Mates by Cherie. And here are one of the mates that I came up with, the reversible turban wrap. They come in many colors and prints. They're really simple and easy and great to wear. This one's the leopard one, leopard on one side, gold on the other. You simply take the elastic band, put it at the back of your hair, adjust the gatherings at the front, long flaps in the back. Adjust it for comfort. I like to put mine behind my ears. Take your flaps, bring them to the front, tie them, covering the gathers. Rearrange the flaps for either the print to show, to match, or you can do the contrast if you want. Wrap it to the back and button. Tuck it all in, neaten it all up, and there you go. The reversible turban wrap. I'll show you the back. There's the back. There's the side. And there we are. Don't forget to visit me at www.hairmatesbycherie. And thanks for watching. Bye. .com. www.hairmatesbycherie.com. And thanks for watching. I'm new at all of this. Bye.